Hi everybody, welcome back to Silly School with Teacher Greg. I have a question for you. Do you think it's possible to crush this can with the air? Let's find out. Come join me. Silly School with Teacher Greg.
Yeah!
The air that is all around us is constantly pushing on everything. It's pushing. And when air is pushing on things, this is called air pressure. Inside this can, there's the same amount of air pressure on the inside of the can as there is on the outside of the can. And that's why the can can stay together and not be crushed. But if you add just a little bit of water inside the can and heat it up, the air will get pushed out because the can will fill up with water vapor. That is water in gas form. We're going to do this by putting the pop can inside our tongs and holding it over the flame for safety. All that water is going to turn into water vapor, filling up the can, pushing out the regular air. We will then flip the can upside down into the ice water. All that water vapor that's inside the can will turn back into liquid water, and there will be a low pressure inside the can because there's not very much air pushing on it. And when we do that, the can should crush by the air pressure on the outside of the can. Let's see if it works. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. It worked! Yeah! Look, it crushed the can! That's awesome! And there you have it, crushing a can with the air! Is it magic? No, it's not. It's science. Thanks for joining me, everybody. I can't wait to see you for the next time for Silly School with Teacher Greg. Bye, everyone. Bye-bye. See you next time. Bye. School with Teacher Greg.
Yeah!
Thanks for watching my video. Want more Silly School with Teacher Greg videos? Add me on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. All that information is in the description. I can't wait to see you for more videos. Want to take a live online class with me, Teacher Greg? Come check out my Outschool classroom. I have a whole lot of live online classes I would love for you to take with me. That information will also be in the description. But until then, bye!